Ryan, dear, we need to talk.
Sure, Anna. What's wrong?
When are you going to move back to the States? I'm tired of living here.
I told you already, I want to wait out the recession here in Brazil.
But Rai, the crisis ended 3 years ago. You can't still blame it on the economy.
But haven't you read the news? The economy is just as bad. S&P just downgraded our debt. The markets are a disaster.
Well, it's not like we're living so well in here, isn't it? Look at how we live. We have to liquidate almost all our assets.
Well, at least we still have our love. That's...
Tô cansada. Vende isso aí também se você quiser.
That's one thing we'll never have to get rid of.
Love is a liquid, it's so hard to let go. The market for heartbreak, or value to show. My soul is a junk bond, being issued from Spain. Defaults awaiting us like missing the rain. Then we rise, don't you cry. Love is a liquid, baby, we don't cry. You kept us together like a Bernanke put. We've gone through inflation with recession at foot. You've been through my heart like a Greenspan fed. And love is a liquid, we'll stay till the end. Then we rise, don't you cry. Our love is a liquid, baby, we don't cry. Then we rise, don't you cry.